Okay, having seen what factors are, we can now look at how common factors behave. So, what are common factors 24 and 18? Well, the factors of 18 we know are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So this is just listing out the factors. We haven't done the full working out here because maybe you can do it in your head, maybe you don't, and you need to do it in full. But once you've got the list, common means the same thing as it did a week ago, which means shared. So they share a 6, they share the 3s, they share the 2s, they share the 1s. So that's the numbers that are in both lists. Now any list of numbers will share 1 as their lowest factor. So the lowest common factor is never interesting, but the highest common factor varies. That's the one that we might care about in certain situations. The highest common factor here is 6. So the HCF of 24 and 18 is 6. And that's something we need to know for certain properties when we start to work with fractions later or do other things. Knowing what the highest number we can share them both into is quite useful. It can be straightforward like this pair, but sometimes it can be a bit. So let's do the straightforward one first of all. Let's do 36 and 45. So the factors of 36 are quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. The factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So even though 45 is larger, it's actually got far fewer factors. And what's the highest thing they share? Well, they share 1s, they share 3s, they share 9s. 9 is the highest. So the HCF of 36 and 45 is 9. So that's normally how these things work. You write out both lists and you find the thing they share. But sometimes it can get a little bit tricky. If we look at 21 and 40, the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. The only thing they share is 1. So even though 1 is always the lowest common factor, sometimes it is the highest. And that's allowed. That's a perfectly valid answer. Don't worry about it. So just don't panic if that's what you get. That can happen. That could be the answer. And the other one that you might be concerned about is is situations like this. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And if you look, 6 is in both lists. And so it's perfectly fine for the highest common factor to be one of the numbers you're comparing. Don't panic if that happens either. That's absolutely fine. So that is a little look at highest common factors. Enjoy.